How to fill out document checklist. Your accountant has created a personalized checklist to help you gather the tax documents needed for your return. Here's how to fill it out. Open the checklist. If there's a questionnaire included, you can complete it first or go directly to the document checklist. Upload your documents. You can drag and drop files or browse your computer. You can also select files already stored in your TaxDome account. Match each document to the correct checklist item using the drop-down menu. Once matched, that item is marked complete. If you need to change a selection, unlink a document, or remove a missing reason, your accountant can see your progress in real time. If you don't have a particular document, indicate why. Review your progress. The checklist shows exactly what's complete and what still needs attention. Save your work and return later if needed, or submit when everything is complete. Your checklist is always available in your to-do list or organizers.